How we roll out the variety ramp.
I have an idea that's worth filming.
Oh yeah, we got the sledge pulling our ramp out here. It looks like a Dodge Ram pulling anything.
It's squatting pretty bad. Let's see how it does on the turns.
Whoa,
oh, pretty good.
No
pretty
way.
Good. Can it go up this driveway and make the turn? Yeah.
No way, man. That's sick.
Oh. Delivery.
Yep. The transition, though. Oh.
All right. So the idea is to stand right here and then hit the ramp and jump over yourself without flinching.
Without flinching?
Yeah. Like real close. So like I can see the takeoff, the very bottom. And I can obviously see the edge. I don't know if I'm gonna hit myself in the face or not.
I don't think you'll hit yourself in the face.
If it is coming for my face, I am gonna duck. But if not, I'm gonna try not to flinch.
No, you can't flinch, dude.
Well,
you gotta just take it.
Just take a sledge to the teeth.
Yeah, you have to. You said don't flinch.
Okay. I'll pass it to you and then you pass it.
Yeah, sure. We'll try that.
There we go. Oh,
look at it. He didn't even flinch.
I flinched a little bit. No, because I didn't know. Uh-oh.
Ah.
Well, some.
True.
It's like, it feels like a slipper clutch, but there's no slipper clutch in this. All right, let's see if you're up to it.
That was a good one. You hit the lean back.
No, it's center diff, I think. Look.
Oh God, the center diff.
Yeah, look, I'm able to spin without spinning the tires.
Oh no.
What does that mean? Oh, maybe it's a
wait.
Maybe it's one of the diffs. Ready?
Yeah. Front. So
front is spinning and back is not. So
rear is not spinning?
Front.
No.
Yeah. So front diff actually might be. Front diff might be done.
Well, back to the money hole the Sledge is. And the Revo is too. Revo is not much better.
I'm still gonna drive that, so.
Oh.
There isn't. If it moves, then it's getting driven.
Here it goes myself.
I still. Wait.
Dang.
Oh, I'm just rear wheel drive. No flinch. Okay, that was a huge flinch. That was a flinch. Fail.
I'm gonna hit it one more time.
That was a little bit of a flinch.
I trust myself.
It was better than the first one. First one, you like almost bent over backwards.
Well, yeah, I lost it.
All right, Eric's turn. I'm filming you. Oh, huge flinch. Oh, huge flinch. Oh, big flinch. Oh, big flinch. It's hard not to.
No, it is hard not to. I wheelied. That's why. As soon as I wheelied at the beginning of the ramp.
Because you don't know if it's going to go high enough. All right. Oh, okay. Oh! That was not a flinch. That was just straight up you didn't go fast enough. You flinched before you even hit the ramp, dude.
All right, Eric, stay still.
Nope. Dude, there's no way. Right.
With rear wheel drive.
If it's moving fast enough, it could probably go over me.
Agreed. What? You surprisingly didn't flinch as much as I thought you should.
No flinch.
You were like, I'm taking it to the face.
It was really close. It was really close. I know. I'm pretty sure I felt like.
Yeah, it was close.
Cue the replay on that.
For real,
I got dirt in my face.
Look at him. You gotta trust yourself, Eric.
I got no torque now. Oh, but I can do donuts now.
Oh yeah.
I'm probably destroying like something else by running it like this.
Destroying everything. Just breaking the everything.
But
Yeah,
you
I mean,
can
it
hear-
sounds like it's hurting.
It sounds like it's just like slipping.
Hey, that was good, Eric.
That was good. That was good.
Not for the Max, but for you.
Hard to judge the landing when you're not looking. Wait, we gotta kind of
Oh, I came out again.
build this up a little bit here.
Dadgummit. I don't know if these are the TRX. Oh, I hope I got that. Look, I had one MIP left as well. One MIP long shaft because I absolutely snapped the cheap one. You know, these cheap Chinese one I tried out?
One?
I snapped it, bro, like just clean snap off. And I luckily had only one MIP long shaft, and I made it work. So that one ain't
But
never gonna break.
Oh, I got no torque now.
Oh!
I don't think Eric's capable of doing it without flinching. Dude, just imagine that it will clear you, because you know it will. What the heck was that noise? It sounds like a dinosaur.
Hey, that was a good one, Eric.
Oh. I think that was your first good one. Yeah, now we got 4 little options here.
Yeah, we do. We got 4 obstacles. Which one are you gonna choose? That's one way to strip a gear. Oh my god.
Those tires sound so terrible.
Dude, those tires just gotta mess the whole thing up. Dude, yours balloons so much.
Yeah, I know.
That's
But
what you need.
Yeah, it's better for this. My bumper's all messed up, man. My bumper's messed up.
There you go.
I got to get back into the sledge mentality.
Let's go.
Wait, what happens if I hit the baby ramp with some speed?
Distance.
As distance jump for sure.
Yeah, you getting good distance. Dang.
Can you hit a double now?
Nah, I can't even barely even hit a single. Woo!
Oh.
See, I just broke something.
Oh no.
I just broke something. What did I break?
Did it land on the wheel? I didn't see it.
Or did it just pop out? I think it just popped out. Yeah, it looks like it just popped out.
Oh yeah, you just here.
Just popped the wheel out.
It just pulled through the threads. I think I can use manpower
And get her back in.
and just push it in, to be honest. They did surgery on the GURP.
We successfully did surgery on a grape.
You got a couple of threads. So yeah.
$20 for 3 haircuts.
Yeah?
$120
For 3 haircuts?
3 haircuts. Two children too.
Bro, you getting swindled.
Yeah, you went to a salon and not a barbershop.
Well, no, it's a man cave. It's called the man cave.
Oh, really? It turned out to be an issue more than one thing. So there's the new ESC.
Oh man, sick. It looks good.
And my servo stopped working.
Oh, boy.
So I was like, all right, I'll go ahead and order another servo. So then I tear this open. So I found out that the other slot for the second servo, so like the channel 1,
Yep.
doesn't work on my other one. And so it was fried. Like the receiver inside here was fried.
yeah.
Luckily we had another one. So I had to pull all the wires out and put the other receiver in there, wire it all back up, and we're running pretty good right now.
Oh, whoa, what the hell
What was that?
Oh, did I blow a tire?
I think you did. That was disgusting.
That was a weird sound. I believe that's the front diff.
This car gives me problems. Yeah. The Maxx is such an amazing vehicle.
Under the car. The Maxx is a great little car.
Call it a car. One more time.
It's a great little Prius.
Oh, dude, you just snapped the axle.
Oh.
That's it. You just snapped your front axle.
I was gonna say it sounded like plastic banging.
Well, time to go to metal axles, Eric. Well, boys, we successfully broke everything again.
All three trucks, yeah.